We have 3 boys and they all enjoy playing hockey, so as hockey parents we have helped out in various ways. My wife has been part of manager numerous years. I have helped coach over the years gone by, and that keeps us busy throughout the year. My name is Kevin. We are chicken farmers in southeastern Manitoba.
My husband Kevin and I bought this farm 16 years ago, and we farm with our 3 boys.
Being that we're in southern Manitoba, we have quite a bit of temperature swing with outdoor temperatures, and the barns ensure the even temperature for the best growth of the birds.
We actually start our chickens at plus 30 degrees Celsius in the barn. So right now the barn temperature is 27 degrees Celsius and outside it's minus 4 degrees Celsius.
The other reason we grow chickens in barns is to help with predators and disease that comes from migratory birds and other animals. To ensure that the birds are comfortable in the barn, we have controllers that monitor everything from temperature, humidity, water pressure, and with that it also controls the ventilation.
The technology definitely doesn't replace the need to be in the barn. We still need to go in there. We still need to make sure that we're monitoring for any deviations in the flock. We need to take care of them every day.
Some of the visual things we look for when we go into the barn is how the chickens are spread out, how they sound.
We are able to produce chickens 12 months of the year in Manitoba because we have barns that keep the chickens nice and comfortable, and we can control the temperature, we can control the humidity in the barn because of it. Registered broiler producers in Canada are required to have alarms that let us know if the power goes out.
If we do have a power outage on the farm, we do have automatic generators that start up, and with those generators starting up, they control everything from the electricity to our wells so that the chickens always have proper feed and water. It is very important for us to make sure our animals are treated humanely.
Broiler chickens in Manitoba are never raised in cages. They are free run. They've got access to run all over the barn and grab the feed and water wherever they want it.
My top priority is to make sure that the birds are comfortable and do my best job for them.
We are very fortunate to have a big yard in the country that we can have outdoor rinks, we can host people, and we've got lots of room to move around.
When it came to do an outdoor rink, my boys came and helped us set it up. From putting up the boards to putting down the plastic to put the ice on, they all are involved in helping.
We try to have boys hockey teams once a winter at our rink to skate and to sit around a bonfire and drink hot chocolate.
What I enjoy most about the farming lifestyle is that we're able to be in the country. I can work with my wife and kids, and it's a family farm. It's not just me and my wife, it's the family farm.